Aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel, Stuff Like Lists. My name is Alyssa and I live on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. And today I will be going over my 100 Envelope Challenge booklets. Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. Today's video is a little different. It's not a cash stuffing video, but I do want to go over my new 100 Envelope Challenge booklets. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. We're almost there to 1,000 subscribers. And you can also follow me on my Instagram where you'll get updates on my new videos and what's going on with me and my shop. So today, these are my 100 Envelope Challenge booklets. It's 3 different types. So we have the black and gold, and as you can see, the vinyl is a gold color. So basically there's 120 slots in this booklet, but we're only going up to 100. But each slot is numbered and you are able to put in the bills back and front. And separating the back and the front slots is the piece of plastic. Okay, and then this is the pink and silver glitter booklet, and then as you can see, the vinyl is a nice silver glitter color. Okay, and then lastly we have the clear and baby pink, and this is more of a matte vinyl. And then same thing, isn't this so cute? All right. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. My boyfriend came home and he gave me popcorn. So I love popcorn, and then I went in the kitchen and I had some adare or mochi crunch and I added it to the popcorn. So that's why I left and I came back. But yeah, if you haven't tried this combination, it's like a rice cracker, but here in Hawaii this is how we like to eat it with our popcorn. Try it, it's really good. Okay, anyways, I was talking about the clear and baby pink booklet, and it is a matte vinyl, as you can see. But I love this one. This one is so cute, so subtle. And I also have a tracker sheet. So it has up to 100. And then also this holographic heart sticker sheet, in which you use it to mark your envelopes, whichever ones you had stuffed. So I just wanted to show you really quick. So this is my own booklet with the ones that I had stuffed. And if you already watched my videos, you've seen this a few times before. But as I was planning on having this in my shop and I was planning what to do, I was debating whether I should do a tracker sheet or not, and I indeed decided to make a tracker sheet because I noticed that, you know, if you just stuff your money in and, you know, it's a back and front pocket, sometimes it's kind of hard to remember which one you had stuff without having to go in, you know, to find out and feel which one you stuffed. So I thought a tracker sheet would be great to have. And so I decided to make a little sticker sheet so that we can mark the envelopes, and this is how it would look like. So this is just an example. It's envelope number 50, and then I took a sticker and I put it here. So I thought this was a cute way, and aesthetically it's pretty cute, you know, while you try to fill it up. But you know, in the past I had like this little paper one, and then you know, I was testing out making the stickers. So what I'm going to do is fill up my tracker sheet, this new one, and it is laminated. Unfortunately, it's not reusable because it's pretty hard to take off the vinyl. But I'm deciding whether I want to just sell this in my shop on its own with just the tracker sheet and the stickers. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch over to this card, this tracker sheet, and use it with my own booklet. So I'm just going to put the stickers on here, and I'm just going to have this as my guide on the side. So I'll show you. So I have number 9. I have number 9 stuff. So I'm just going to take a sticker and then stick it on number 9. There you go. Okay, and then I'm just going to do it for all of the rest. Okay guys, so I filled up my tracker sheet with the envelopes that I had already stuffed, and this is how it looks like. Isn't that very cute? I love it. Alright, so this is going to go into my booklet. I think I'll just put it in the very middle. There you go. Stick it in here, close it up. There you go. So just wanted to show you what the end products are, and these are available on my online shop right now at stufflikethis.com, and I'll have the link down below in the description box. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.